Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this beautiful flower. But before we start, I would like to say sorry about my voice because I catch a cold. I try to don't talk too much, but what we have to do for this flower, I want to use another color. For the start, we are going to make some chain based on the size of flower you like. You have to chain even number. For this tutorial I make the small one, but if you need big size of the flower based on the yarn you use, for example for this one I chained 40, but let's try to make more some this. What we have to do, we chain 3, then insert my hook in the 4th chain and make another double crochet. It should be like that in the same chain. Then I'm going to skip 2 chain. See, as you can see here, 1, 2. In the third one again, oh sorry, maybe it's better to here chain more 2, then make another double crochet because I wanted to have it like a V shape. So skip 2. In the third one I make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet in the same stitch like that, and again I skip 2 chain, 1, 2. In the third one insert my hook, make 1 double crochet, 2 chain and 1 double crochet like that. We are going to continue this pattern until the end of the row, and I'll be back. I already finished the row like that. This is row 1. For row 2, what we have to do, we are going to chain 1, return the work, and then come to the chain here, the space here, and make 1 slip stitch to come in the middle, and then just chain 3, then 2 more double crochet. Now we have 3. For this one we are going to chain 5, and in the same space we make another 3 double crochet like that. We repeat again for the next V shape. We make 3 double crochet, 5 chain and 3 more double crochet like this. Only for these two we make 5 chain. From now on until the end of the row we make 3 double crochet, then 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and then we make another 3 double crochet So for the first one 5 chain, for the rest 3 chain, and we are going to keep continue until the end of the row. As you can see here, for row 2 I already finished the model like this. When we come to row 3, we're going to chain 1, return the word. We have to come here in this chain space, but we have to do, we are going to make a slip stitch to bring the yarn here in that part like this. Now it's time to make 10 double crochet in each of these chain. What we have to do, for a start we are going to chain 3 and make 10 double crochet. Like this. Now when it comes to that part, we are going just to make one single crochet like that, and we here again in this space here we make 10 double crochet and repeat the pattern until the end of the row. This 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 like this. Then when it comes in that part, just make one single crochet, and then we keep continue until just you have to left 2 at the end, and I'll be back. This is the row 3. As you can see here, I start to make 10 double crochet in each space. Only I'm going to keep the last 2 because we are going to make a leaves. What we have to do for that one, I'm going to insert my hook and make a slip stitch to finish the yellow yarn. Now it's time to start to knit leaves. What we have to do here in this next 2, we are going to insert my hook and take the yarn, chain 3, then I make 1 double crochet. In the same space, time to make a triple crochet, 2 triple crochet like this, then we make double triple crochet. It means 3 times grab the yarn and make 1 2 3 1 2 3, 1 more, so as you can see here I made 2 double crochet, 2 triple crochet, 2 double triple crochet, then chain 4, insert my hook here like that, and we repeat this one by making 2 double triple crochet, 1 2 3, Then it's time to make triple crochet 2. But grab the yarn twice, make 1, 2, and the last part, like these two, we are going to make 2 double crochet like this. When it comes to that part, just make 1 single crochet, and we repeat this pattern here again by make 2 double crochet, 2 triple crochet, 2 double triple crochet, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, insert the hook here, make 1 single crochet, and repeat by double triple crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 triple crochet, and 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Then cut the yarn like that. Now it's time to make a flower. Start from here and just try to make it like this. Now it's time to fix the flower. Maybe you can use a needle. It's better to come here, then just try to take all and sew just to make it fix this. As I told you, if you want to make a bigger size of the flower, you have to chain more in the beginning, but that's all you have to. It's time to cut the yarn. And later we are going to just make it nice to hide the extra yarn between like that. Sometimes it's not easy. You have to just try to cover the extra yarn. Use the hook or needle to hide. Then cut the extra and you can see the flower like that. That's all. This is the tutorial. I hope you enjoy. Sorry again for my voice. If you like it, please share it with your friends and please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.